Yesterday I was on Craigslist and I found something pretty rare that I've been looking for a while, and it's a part for Henry's tractor that a friend of mine, Jesse, and myself restored a few years ago. So the only bad part is it's up in Wisconsin, which is going to be about 600 miles away, 1,200 mile round trip. And I'm not really one who likes driving, but the guy doesn't hardly want any money for it, so we're going to go up there and get it. I'm about to go pick up Henry and Ashley, and we're going to drive straight through and make a couple days trip out of it. We're also going to see some sights up there, so we'll take you along for the journey. Thanks for watching. Look for the tractors. Well, this is what we came all the way to Wisconsin for. We just picked up this pretty rare cab for Henry's 185 Lo Boy. 2 years ago, me and a friend of mine, Jesse, restored this Cub Lo Boy for Henry. And at that time we were restoring it, I found a cab just over in St. Louis. I did not want to go get it. I was being a tightwad, and it sold, and I haven't found one since. They're really rare. And I finally found one 600 miles away, and it was totally worth the drive to get it. The guy gave us a super good deal.
Yeah. That's so cool. Look at that. What do you think? Is that cool?
this is Jim. I met him on Lake Michigan here. He actually is a racer of radio-controlled sailboats, and he looked over at me, and the first thing he said was, "Hey, would you like to drive this thing?" And I actually told him no, and he said, "Come on, it's really easy." And so he let me take the controller and taught me everything to be able to control it in the wind. So I don't know anything about sailboats, but it was actually really fun, and he was a super awesome guy.
We drove past that humongous cow, and I made Tracy cut a U-turn because I'm trying to get me some ice cream. We had so much fun on our trip. We're so glad to be home. After 3 days of driving, it can really wear you out. But hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of the drone footage that we took on our trip. We'll leave the links below. It's of Lake Michigan and of some wind turbines. Wind turbines. Be sure to like and subscribe, leave any comments below, or questions if you've got any. But we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.